Welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about how to multiply polynomials. I have 3 different methods of doing it. You should choose the one you like best. All right. The first method I'm going to show you is called distribution. Basically, all you do is you write the polynomials next to each other. Make sure that you multiply and not add. Multiply every term in the first parentheses by every term in the second parentheses. So I got a binomial and a trinomial. If you've ever used FOIL, that's what you would use for 2 binomials like this. And then all you have to do is combine like terms when you're done. So the way I like to think of this is, imagine you and a friend. Imagine that you and a friend are going to a meeting, and there's 3 other people at the meeting. You're going to do is you're going to shake hands with all the people at the meeting, and your friend will shake hands with all the people at the meeting. That way everyone shakes hands and you have a meeting. So we're going to start out with the first ones. 3k and negative k squared is negative 3k cubed. Let me do the next one. Negative 3 and negative 2 makes, positive 3 and negative 2 makes negative 6. K is k squared. 3 times 6 is 18. Okay. I'll do this one in red. Negative 6 times negative k squared is positive 6k squared. Negative 6 times negative 2 is positive 12k. Negative 6 times positive 6 is negative 36. Okay, all we have to do is combine like terms. Now we add them together. So the highest power is 3, negative 3k cubed. Next one, negative 6, positive 6. Watch what happens here. They cancel out. Negative 6 plus 6 is 0, k squared. So 18k plus 12k is going to be a total of 30k. That's done. Minus 36. That's the distribution method. We can practice some of these other ones. I'll zoom in so you can see better. For example, here, you only have 1 term times 2 terms, so you're going to just distribute twice. 4 times 5, 20x, 4 times negative 1, negative 4. That's all you got to do. Done. If you want to do this one, you're going to do 3 times here, 3 times here, and then you're going to have a total of 9 different terms. And then you can add them all together. So I'm not going to do this one. I would rather do this one. (6n) plus 4. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. This is FOIL. So in FOIL, we're going to multiply the first numbers. Negative 6 and negative 6 makes 36. N times n is n squared. First, outer ones, negative 6 times negative 4 is positive 24. Inner, these 2 inner ones, 4 times negative 6 is negative 24. And last would be these guys. 4 and negative 4 is negative 16. These 2, positive 24 and negative 24, will cancel out. 36n squared minus 16. That can happen. Okay, that's the first method, distribution. I want to look at the second method, the box method. Remember, use whichever method you like best. In the box method, I'll zoom in a little bit so you can see it better. First off, you need to find out how big to make your box. Well, you have to know how many terms you're multiplying by. In this situation, it's a binomial times a trinomial. All my examples are going to be a binomial and a trinomial. Put the terms of one polynomial on top of the box and the terms of the other on the left side. So since I have a binomial, I'm going to go like this. Binomial, negative 2b, negative 5. The trinomial is going to go on top. 6b squared, 2b, that's this one, 4. Each of these boxes is going to be the product of the items that make the box. If you know anything about Punnett squares, I'll write that over here. Okay, Punnett squares is a little reminder. I'm going to multiply these two to make this box. Negative 2 and 6 makes negative 12b cubed. Negative 2 and 2 multiply to negative 4b squared. Negative 2 and 4 makes negative 8b. This is a b. Okay, now we're going to do bottom row. Negative 5 times 6, negative 30, b squared. Negative 5 times 2, negative 10, b. Negative 5 times 4, negative 20. Each box is the product of the term above and to the left of the small box. So top and left, top and left. This product, top and left. Combine like terms, usually on the diagonal of boxes. All right, combine like terms. My highest power is 3, negative 12b cubed. These two are like terms. They're on diagonal, b squared and b squared. Negative 30 and negative 4. These two are b's, negative 10 and negative 8. Minus 18b and negative 20. So that's combining, we combine our diagonals. It does not always work out this nice, but usually in I1, I2, it will. And okay. So what if you only have something like this? I'll zoom in. This is a monomial and a binomial. Mono times tri. Bi. Basically, all you got is this. Eight and 6, negative 48, okay. Negative 7, negative 6, 42. That would have been a lot easier just using distribution. But you choose whichever method you want to use. If you wanted to do this one at the bottom, if you wanted to use this one, number 6, you would set up a trinomial. I'm not going to do it all. I'm just going to set it up. Negative 6p squared, negative 6p, 5. 6p squared, 4p, 1. Multiply. Each of these boxes we've filled up with above and left, above and left. Combine your like terms on the diagonals, and you'll finish. All right, the last method I want to show you is this one. This one harkens back to 4th grade or 3rd grade. It's a vertical method. Prepare to multiply just like you did in 3rd grade or 4th grade by putting the two polynomials or numbers on top of each other. The longer number or polynomial goes on top. Multiply and put answers in columns of like terms. That's be key. Add straight down. So I'm going to show you what this looks like. I got a trinomial here. I want to put that on top. Well, why don't I just put this under it? 3m plus 4. Remember doing this? This is like having a 3-digit number times a 2-digit number. When you multiply, 4 times 16, 64. 4 times negative 12, negative 48m. Oh, this is a plus sign. 4 times 9, 36. And then you always should put a 0 here, or an x, or something, right? And you go like this. 3m times 3 times 16. Ooh. That's 6 times 48. 3 times, oh, that's plus. 3 times 12 is negative 36. Squared. Ooh, this is interesting. And 3 times 9 is 27. I have them in like terms. The 64 goes here. 48 and negative 48 and 48 cancel out. 36 and negative 36 cancel out. That's the answer. 27m cubed plus 64. Okay, let's try that with another one. This one looks interesting. Right here. Number 4 down here. Let's zoom in on it. Number 4. I'm just going to write this twice. Negative 7. But you know what? I'm going to put it in standard form. So I'm going to put 2a minus 7. 2a minus 7. It says to write it twice. Negative 7 times negative 7 is positive 49. Negative 7 times 2, negative 14a. 2 times negative 7, negative 14a. 2 times 2, 4a squared, because a times a is squared. Can almost fit it in here. Put the answer right down here. There's not enough space. I'm sorry about that. 4a squared minus 14. Minus 14 is minus 28a plus 49. All right, those are all the methods. You choose whichever one you want to use, whichever one you feel best with. The first two are the most popular.